Two people have been arrested after a woman travelling along with her teenage daughter on a bus in the Moga district of Punjab were thrown off the vehicle after resisting molesters. The girl was declared dead when she and the mother were rushed to a civil hospital. The mother, who was critical, is now improving. The incident happened when a man on the bus started harassing them, and when they complained to the conductor, he also joined in with another passenger. They pleaded for the bus to stop but were pushed out. Now, shareholding documents show that Sukhbir Badal, the Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, actually owned 5,000 shares in the company that owns the bus, Orbit Aviation. And here's what Prakash Singh Badal had to say when he was asked about the Congress allegations that the Badals had connections to the company that owned the bus.
बदकिस्मती से हमारी बस मैं तो कभी दिलचस्पी नहीं चलो कोई कह दो बस में हो गया और बसों में भी हो जाता है लेकिन मैं इसको अच्छा नहीं समझता.
We're seeing those documents there which show that the Badals owned 5,000 shares in the company that owns the bus. The registered address of the company is also the same as that of the Badals. Those documents clearly showing a connection between the Badals and the company that owns the bus, though majority shareholding is with other entities, and there is a huge chain in terms of companies that have been set up and hold different shareholding patterns in different companies. Anand Patel joining us. Anand, those documents that you've sent us, from which year are they? They show that the Badals had 5,000 shares and the registered office of the company is also the same as theirs.
Absolutely. It's a chain of companies, in which the Badal family holds shares, and obviously it links one company to another, which finally go down to the Badal family ultimately owning these companies. Now, if you look at the annual returns of these companies, starting from Orbit Aviation, in Orbit Aviation, it's a company called G-Next Media, which holds the majority stakes. Now, if you go to the annual return of G-Next Media, we find that Gurbaz Media owns the majority stake. And the annual return of Gurbaz Media shows that a company called Orbit Resorts Private Limited owns the majority stake. But finally, if you go to the annual return of the Orbit Resorts Limited, you see that Simrat Kaur Badal, wife of Sukhbir Badal, was a director in the company up till June 2014. And also, Sukhbir Badal himself owns majority stake in Orbit Resort Private Limited. So if you link all these companies together, the end profit goes to the Badal, the Orbit Aviation itself. So the bus company, Orbit Aviation, belongs to the Badal family. All these documents clearly show this. The documents available on the website of Ministry of Company Affairs. So clearly, Badal family cannot deny that they are the ones who own Orbit Aviation Private Limited. And also, when he questioned Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal about this, he almost conceded that the family owns the bus company, and he also regretted the fact that the employees of the company have been caught in this molestation attempt by the police. And though he said it's a very tragic incident, but the family cannot escape from the fact that the company has got licenses and permits during the rule of the Akali BJP government in the past almost 7.5 years.
Anand, you've got these documents from the Registrar of Company Affairs website. Are these the latest documents? Are they still valid? This is from the AGM when?
That's right. They've been filed as the annual returns, which the companies have to comply as per the norms. They are the latest annual returns of these companies filed to the registrar of the companies.
And do we know for a fact whether Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who's a minister now, was a director on this company till 2014, till she became a minister?
That's right. That's what the annual return in the Orbit Resorts Private Limited, the company which has shares in Gurba's media clearly show that she was a director till June 2014. She must have resigned just after taking over as a minister last year.
Anand Patel with those links that have been established by these documents between the Badals and various companies which ultimately own the Orbit Aviation Private Limited, which owns this bus. Anand also saying that Union Food Processing Minister, these documents show that Union Food Processing Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal was a director in the company till June 2014. Till she became a minister, and this is her reaction when she was asked. She didn't mention anything about being a director, but she condemned the incident.
नहीं, एक मिनट, ये किसका ट्रांसपोर्ट है, क्या है, ये तो इसका सारा मैं चेक कराती हूँ। जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि ऐसे मैंने अखबार में आपके जैसे पढ़ा और मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है कि सबसे पहले मैं इस दुर्घटना की कठोर निंदा करती हूँ। आज औरतों के साथ चाहे बसों में हो, चाहे ट्रेन में हो, चाहे सड़कों में हो, चाहे घर पे या काम की जगह पे, ये जो देश में माहौल है इसको बहुत गंभीरता से सीरियसली लेना चाहिए। ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है ये बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त के बाहर है और मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि इमीडिएटली उन 2 लोगों को डिटेन करके उनके ऊपर सरकार ने मोलेस्टेशन और मर्डर का आरोप लगा के उसकी पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है और बिल्कुल सख्त से सख्त कानून के राही इनको वो सजा मिलनी चाहिए जो इन्होंने हरकत करी है।
देखिए, ये बहुत ही एक दुर्घटना, बहुत ही शर्म की बात है कि आज हमारे देश में स्थिति यहाँ पहुँच गई है कि औरतें अपने आप को बचाने के लिए आत्महत्या कर रही हैं। एक तरफ किसान कर रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ औरतें अपने आप को बचाने के लिए आत्महत्या कर। तो हमारी सरकारों को और हमारी जुडिशरी जो है उनको सबको देखना चाहिए कि जो अपराध हो जाते हैं उनको उसके बाद में सजा इतनी जल्दी होनी चाहिए, ट्रायल जल्दी होना चाहिए, स्पीडली ट्रायल होने चाहिए और जो एक लंबे लंबे चलते रहते हैं सालों केस, वो सब खत्म होने चाहिए और फौरन, ताकि औरतों में एक सुरक्षा की भावना जरूरी है आज के टाइम में, क्योंकि जो असुरक्षा औरतों के मन में आ गई है उसको हम लोगों को दूर करना बहुत जरूरी है।
इस मामले में मैं पार्लियामेंट में आज मुद्दा उठाऊंगा। हरसिमरत कौर उन बसों की मालकिन है, तो उनको आज जवाब देना होगा पार्लियामेंट में। और ये पहली घटना नहीं है, हर ऑर्बिट का हर ड्राइवर जो है वो अपने आप को सुखबीर बादल समझता है। ये ऑर्बिट माफिया बन गया है, पहले रेत माफिया था, केबल माफिया था, गुंडागर्दी की इंतहा हो गई और अपराधियों के लिए सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित जगह अब पंजाब बन चुका है।